Now, after launching a phone number for Punjab voters to call in with their choice of names for Chief Minister, Delhi Chief Minister and AAP Chief Arvind Kejriwal has now credited senior AAP leader Bhagwant Mann for the move. Kejriwal has said that Bhagwant Mann said, "Don't decide chief ministerial face in a closed room." Kejriwal added that Bhagwant Mann is the biggest face for AAP in Punjab, and he was in fact in favour of declaring him as the chief ministerial pick for AAP, but it was Mann who wanted to take people's opinion. The move not to name Mann as a chief minister is being seen as a fresh roadblock for Bhagwant Mann as AAP's CM face. In fact, Kejriwal earlier issued a phone number for public opinion. He earlier called upon Punjab voters to pick the next Punjab CM face by AAP by calling on that number. Now, it appears that there's more delay coming in for Bhagwant Mann's elevation. A lot of speculation that possibly Bhagwant Mann could be the CM face for AAP. Arvind Kejriwal also has been keen on announcing the name, but here's, in fact, a plan that they've rolled out to rope in public opinion. In fact, a phone number has been released where AAP has asked people of Punjab to call in and give their choice of name for Chief Minister's face for AAP. Now, here we're looking at a public opinion or a public poll that AAP is now looking at to announce a CM face. The more number of callers who call in with a name, maybe that name will be the front runner for CM face. In fact, Arvind Kejriwal has now credited senior leader Bhagwant Mann itself for this idea. In fact, Bhagwant Mann is said to have told Kejriwal that let's not announce a CM face in haste or decide on the CM face behind closed doors. Let's give this option to the public of Punjab and people of Punjab. Let's roll out a phone number and let the people of Punjab decide who they want as their CM face of AAP. Let me cut across to Kejriwal, who spoke on the same.
ये तो लगभग तय हो चुका कि आम आदमी पार्टी की सरकार बनेगी, तो आम आदमी पार्टी का जो भी सीएम चेहरा होगा वो पंजाब का अगला सीएम होगा। भगवंत मान जी हमारे बहुत प्यारे हैं, मेरा छोटा भाई है, आम आदमी पार्टी के सबसे बड़े नेता हैं। हम भी अपने कमरे में बैठ के मैं तो कह रहा था कि भगवंत मान को बना देते हैं। भगवंत ने कहा नहीं, जनता से पूछना चाहिए सर। भगवंत ने कहा कि जो जनता मेरे को जिम्मेदारी देगी वो जिम्मेदारी मैं पूरी करूंगा। ये बंद कमरे पे सीएम का चेहरा डिसाइड करने का ये सिलसिला बंद करना चाहिए सर।
All right, here you have Arvind Kejriwal almost quite literally saying that he wanted to make Bhagwant Mann the CM face for AAP in Punjab. Almost an announcement that comes in, but nonetheless, a phone number that's been issued for public to come, call in, give their opinion on the same, on who they want as the next Chief Minister for Punjab as part of AAP. Kamaljeet Sandhu joining us for more on that. Kamaljeet, Arvind Kejriwal has on the sidelines while floating this idea to involve more public opinion into announcing a CM face for the AAP in Punjab, has also said simultaneously that Bhagwant Mann is the biggest leader. He's like my younger brother. He is more or less my choice. He says that I wanted to announce his name, but Bhagwant Mann refused, saying that he is ready to take people's opinion, whatever people want or decide, he's willing to roll out, he's going to take that role. Now, what does it look like? A great strategy for the AAP there in Punjab?
Well, it's game on in Punjab with no particular party announcing a CM face. Arvind Kejriwal, who just about in the last 24 hours said by next week we have a CM face, has gone ahead and opened phone lines, and basically these are 70748 70748. That's the number which has been given out by the Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, saying it will be open till 17th of January till 5 p.m. and let the people, at least 3 crore people of Punjab, decide who they want as the CM candidate. Saying all surveys have been telling a picture and giving it, saying that Aam Aadmi Party is all set to form the government, saying it's the last push that the people have to give. But before know that they don't want to make this particular decision behind closed doors, so they'll leave it up to the sagacity of the people. But clearly, this comes close on heels of how Navjot Singh Sidhu had said it's the people who will decide as to who is the CM, not the High Command. And shortly after that, we see Arvind Kejriwal making a similar announcement. So clearly, even when there was speculations rife that Bhagwant Singh Mann is the one who would be the CM face, as far as Aam Aadmi Party is concerned, it is unsure. And that is why it's thrown open the lines. And obviously, to avoid that sort of criticism, they got in Bhagwant Mann, who was sitting on the stage and saying it was his idea that these phone lines be open. It's almost like it's a game on, but really, who will the people favor will only be known on the 14th, and the results will be out on the 10th of March when the results are declared.
All right, looking forward to see how this pans out. Kamalji, thank you very much for joining us with those details. Meanwhile, farmers' unions